Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, today I will solve the very famous LeetCode problem 88, which is my sorted array. In this problem, you are given two integer of array number one and number two, sort in non-decreasing order, and two integers m and n represent the number of elements in number one and number two respectively. Merge number one and number two into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. The final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead be stored inside the array. Let's take an example. We have a number one, number two array. Inside the number one, two, three, zero, 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 zero is represent the empty space, and m is equal to three is represent the element, and number two is two by six element inside the array, and n is equal to three shows the elements in sector number 2. So merge these two number 1 and number 2 array in a in number 1. So after this merging, we show output 1 2 2 3 5 6, which is a sorted array. So empty cells are removed and sorting array, we show a sorted array. So let's take an native approach, which is very easy. A simple way to solve this question: copy all the elements of number 2 into the empty place of number 1. After this, sort the combined array. This approach is very easy, and we can also solve this in order of m plus n time using two pointer approach. So let's start the code. First, write a for loop. And after that, inside the for loop, we check nums one. Sorry, we check nums one of I is equal to nums two of j. Sorry, j. So I plus plus return copy sort them. This is this code is represented a copy of a second array of element inside the first array, and this is the sort function to sort the first array. Nums one. So that's it. We run the code. As you can see, every test case is pass. So this code represent we start by copying element from number 2 into the extra spaces of number 1. We use for loop to two pointers. I points to the first empty position in the number 1, and j I trace to the number 2. After copying all elements, we sort number 1 using built-in sort operator. So as you can see, everything is passed. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.